Okay, hello everybody. So I've been thinking, what can I do online? Because everybody's getting online with some good messages, some not good messages. And I thought, how can I contribute? Or how can I even have fun doing that? And I thought about something that probably a lot of people are wondering about directly or indirectly. It's like different characters are dealing with this corona confinement thing in a different way. And obviously it's because of character. And character is an extremely important and interesting concept to talk about. So I thought about, okay, what am I good at? Is like colors, personality colors, and probably some of you have already taken the workshop with us about colors. So it goes like this. Some people are looking at the situation from a perspective of what's the sense out of it? They want to make meaning out of everything. Is it the universe? Is it asking us to connect to our inner values? And the question that goes on in their mind is, what does all this mean? Really, what does it mean? And one thing they dislike about the whole situation is the lack of security. We all dislike security, but for the green energy people, they really are not comfortable with lack of security. Anyway, this is very quickly. In later videos, I'm going to talk more about the colors and the way that they're dealing with the whole thing and other things as well. So the other type that I'm going to talk about is the yellow energy people. The yellow energy people are really all about socializing, connecting, energizing. And this is why you see a lot of people, they want to go out to the balcony and just sing with people. They go into Zoom parties now. Why? Because it's the main question is, who's with me in this? Who's with me? And one thing yellow energy people dislike about this is isolation, because they love people and they love to always interact with other people. Okay. The third type we're going to talk about is the red energy people. So the red energy people are usually all about just doing it, achieving it, making results, and achieving results. And you can imagine how frustrating that's for them. Why? Because what they dislike mostly is standing still. And now, except some a lot of people do have work, a lot of work, of course, but it's a standing still situation around the world. And the main question that is on their mind is, so what's next? Okay, great. What's next? Let's do it. The fourth and last type is the blue energy type. The blue energy type is all about logic. It's all about solution process. Okay, now this is the situation. What are the steps in order to get to the solution? And they always search for the accuracy of information. So what's the main question? It's what's the plan? What's the plan out of it? And one thing they dislike about what's happening is the fluffiness. They don't like other people coming and telling them, yeah, but now the pollution is better. We see birds, you connect with yourself. They don't like this talk. Anyway, so this is just an introduction about the colors and how it's related to the whole isolation and confinement situation. But we're going to talk about it much more in a more fun way even. Thank you. If you have any question or if you have any actually subject that you would like me to talk about using the colors, that would be a great moment to really comment, and I'll take it further in future videos.